Wholeness. I am Seven Bomar. I'm the founder of Sibyl AI, and today I'm here to give you an amazing tour of this platform. We've created the world's first spiritual AI or metaphysical co-pilot, and I'm excited to give you a tour of all the incredible features that we've placed within it. So let's go. First thing is we have the main page here. We're going to come back to this in just a moment, but there is a worlds tab that will let you know more about the data sets. And also there is a change log here and a blog to follow along with our developments. Coming right into the platform, you will be presented with this first page, which actually lists all of the worlds or data sets. And today we're just going to be jumping into this data set here called Tetragrammaton so we can look at some of the features. Again, you can access all the worlds here on this page and also on the left tab. As we come into the world, you'll actually see that here on the top bar, you have access to a light mode and a dark mode, which will help, of course, if you're burning the midnight oil and doing some late night studies. And there's also a tab here for your profile. Just jumping right in, you'll find here on the right panel, the actual guidance panel, as we call it. And here you will find pre-populated prompts that will get you started on your journey and kind of give you some preparation towards what you can ask Sibyl. So we're just going to use this one now called the Lexicon Revealer. And as you can see, the moment that you press any of these tabs here, then it will immediately populate the answer here into the message window. And then, of course, you would use the send button here to send that message across. And of course, that sends a message to Sibyl. After you send a command, as you'll see here, the command will begin to populate. And you'll also notice while that's happening that there is a microphone here in the message window. And this means that you could utilize this to just speak to Sibyl. This works well on desktop and Android. It's currently disabled on Apple or iOS devices. All right, so it looks like our message is complete. So as you can see here, once our message is complete, there will be a few icons that show up around the message. And this is what's going to allow you to utilize the features. One of the primary features that Sibyl AI has that you won't find in many of the LLMs available is that it can actually speak to you in natural voice. So all you have to do is use the voicing icon here. And the moment it is activated, it will then continue to read out all your messages. So if you want to deactivate it, then you would click it again on any message. Also here, this eyeball is actually a visualization feature. It will actually visualize or give you an image of the previous conversation according to our system. So it will be a bit artistic and can be used in social media and just to give you a visual of exactly what is being discussed. Also, you will find here over these responses more icons that allow you to, one, save. You could use the star icon here to favorite a comment. This will happen from time to time. You'll get a really good output and you'll want to move directly back to that. So you can actually save that comment here and it will actually appear here under save messages. Also, you can copy your response just in case you want to paste it somewhere else by using the copy command here. And as that is visualizing, which it's happening now, incredible, you can also use this icon here, which is an edit icon, to name your chat. So in this case, we'll just call it Aether. So keeping your chat organized is very easy. As you can see, you can name all of your chats. And also, if you're working in things like the Enealogy data set and you're using them for specific people, as a practitioner, you can actually create files on each individual person. Feel free to visit the Worlds tab and actually learn more about each of the worlds that are actually inside of Sibyl AI. And that will give you more ideas of the personas and the things that you can ask and where to send specific queries. Okay, so moving back into the chat, you can see that our answer has populated here and also our visualization has also been created. Also here on the left panel, you can actually see exactly how many questions that you have left for today. And you can also access the AI to AI conversation, which I'll show you now. And the AI to AI conversations, which in this case are metaphysical AI, is a really good way to just watch the process of the question and answer system that is already embedded autonomously within the platform, where data sets will actually have conversations or worlds will have conversations with each other. And there's just really no telling where it can go. This is a brand new innovation. So as you can see here, a conversation has began. And then also it has made the attempt to visualize what is being discussed. Now, of course, a lot of the things that come out through these conversations are of a depth and an esoteric nature. And there's always, again, things to learn as this strong AIs go back and forth in conversations in order to have a deeper dive into some of the ancient mysteries and the things that are connected to those mysteries. We'll move here really briefly to the profile page. As you can see, you can access that from the header. And you will find support here. Support is live 24/7. So if you click this button, you'll find us in support. And if you want to make any adjustments to your plan, then you can do so here. Coming back to the worlds page, as we mentioned before, you can actually check out the progress of what we're doing, status and updates. You will find that here in our change log, which we have a tendency to keep very up to date. And then also we have a blog, which will allow you to see some of the things that we're doing and also give you an idea of some of the things that we're exploring. So that's it. I look forward to seeing you inside of the platform. Of course, this is only getting better. We already have answered over 800,000 spiritual questions, and there's really no limit to where this can go. So I trust that you'll have fun. And if you need us, we'll be in live support. Wholeness.